She trusted her best friend with the two things she loved most: her brand new car and her 2-year-old twins. Minutes later, she regretted that decision for the rest of her life. And when she walked into Judge Judy's courtroom looking for justice, Judge Judy had one word for her: goodbye. Can you imagine trusting someone completely and then finding out they were never who you thought they were? That is exactly what happened to Markeisha Bailey. She thought Judge Judy would help her. She was completely wrong. $5,500, cash, 1 week old, completely hers for exactly 7 days. Then came February 23rd, 11 at night, long day, tired mother, trusted friend. I'll drive. 2 words. She said yes. Her twins, both of them, buckled into the back. She closed her eyes. She fell asleep. What would you have done in her position? A trusted friend, a long day, 2 tired toddlers. Most of us would have done the same thing. But what happened next on that highway changed everything. The jolt pulled her out of sleep before her mind processed what her body already knew. Something had gone wrong. Did my car just get hit? Yes. Dominique tried to keep driving, past the accident, past the other car, past the moment that required stopping. Stop the car. She stopped, got out, talked to the other driver, came back. Then Markeisha heard one sentence, a sentence that changed everything. I'm scared. Why? A pause. Because I don't even have a license. Let that sit for one moment. Not because of the car, not because of the damage, but because of those 2 toddlers sitting in the back seat who had been in that car for hours with someone who had no legal right to be behind that wheel. Can you imagine your children sitting in that car? 2 years old, not knowing, not understanding, just trusting that the adults around them would keep them safe. Markeisha had 2 choices. She had a license. She was upset, but she was capable. She could get behind the wheel, drive her own car, take her children home. Or she could let Dominique get back in. No license, fresh accident, 11 at night, highway, twins in the back. And yet, she chose wrong. Her reason, spoken out loud in Judge Judy's courtroom, was this: I didn't want to take the blame if we got pulled over. Not her children's safety, her own protection. Judge Judy looked at Markeisha Bailey across that courtroom. She had been listening carefully, building her understanding, piece by piece, detail by detail. She did not raise her voice. She did not lean forward dramatically. She simply looked at her, the way someone looks at a person who was about to learn something important. Let me make sure I understand this correctly. You have 2 children in the back of the car, 2-year-old twins. You just found out the person driving does not have a license. She just had an accident. She tried to leave the scene. And you, knowing all of this, told her to get back in and drive you home? Markeisha tried to explain. I didn't want to get in trouble. You told me you waited 45 minutes for the other driver. You did not leave the scene. Why would you get in trouble? Because, goodbye. Not loudly, not with frustration, said the way Judge Judy says things when she has already understood everything, and continuing would not change a single thing. Markeisha kept talking. Judge Judy did not move. Goodbye. The courtroom went completely quiet. Judge Judy closed the file, slowly, deliberately, and when she looked up, her voice carried no anger, just one thing: certainty. You need to not let somebody drive your car with your children in it who does not have a driver's license. That is what you need to do. No drama, No lecture, no extended explanation, just the truth, spoken clearly to someone who needed to hear it more than she needed the money she came for. The car was 1 week old. The twins were 2 years old. And somewhere on that highway, while their mother was sleeping, someone with no license was on the phone, falling asleep at the wheel. Some things are not about money. Some things are about the moment you realize what actually mattered and what almost did not make it home.